Hey everybody! Hey, I'm Paul. Yeah, it's your boy Henry. And actually, sorry I got decided to leave for New York today. And I was hoping to come to Downport today, but unfortunately for me, I gotta go because I need to meet someone at Richmond. Okay, so hopefully by Christmas or maybe next year by summer, I'm hoping to be back here with you. And I'm going to New York. I'm going to stay in Bronx. I'm going to school with Nicole in Jamestown College, and I think that'll be great. But the same, I'm gonna miss everybody here, from Josh, everybody, Brand, Freshwater, almost everybody. I don't know everybody's name, but I think I'm cool with you, and I'm hoping to be back. May God be with you now. I have you in my heart. And forever am gonna be with you. Especially, I love your worship and your praises. Man, they got me on my heels, and I was just crazy about it. But the same, it's all good, and I thank God for the opportunity I got to meet you all, and I just love you all. Stay blessed and be good. Bye.